Broadcast button.
You could get stranded, so don't even try. Do not be overconfident.
Stop broadcast button. You are now live. Stop broadcast. Camera selection. Back camera button. Double tap TCP55S/NS. Camera selection. Back camera button. Selection. Back camera selection. Front camera button. Stop broadcast button. Camera selection. Front selection. Front camera selection. Back camera button.
Hi guys, sorry about this. Just thought I'd let you see a variety of coverage that we're getting regarding the conditions here. I live in between Baltimore and Washington, D.C.
Could very well lead to power outages. I have been in touch with BGE, and right now in Hartford County, power outages affecting Greer, Nursery Road, Forest Hill, and Glenville Road.
Hartford County is where I used to live.
All right, Lauren Cook out there. The irony of watching that shot with Lauren throughout the course of the morning, Kelly, is depending upon the wind or snowfall, you can either see across the street, all the way over to the famous Dave sign, or nothing at all.
Nothing at all, yeah, and that was one of those shots. And while I was open, Royal Farms, they're always open. They're like us.
We're going to start a convenience store war here right now. Who else is open out there? Getting
sure, 7-Eleven is too, 7-Eleven too.
Yeah, Roadrunner, you name it, it's open.
Megan Knight really likes being out there in the thick of things.
I think she's sort of...
I don't know if you can see much of anything out my window. Hang on. Don't mind the equipment here. Let's see if I can get it from a better window. Sorry about that. Review side. Okay, that's enough. Well, I'll get all that later.
In the background there, you can see those snow shovels that apparently have been abandoned. I guess it was not so fun shoveling the snow, way more fun to play in it. And then we've got the Ward family out in Forest Hill. Thank you so much for sending in this photo. They've got the snowballs in their hands and a really long icicle. And even the family dog's getting in on all the action. So all the photos that you've been sending to us, we've been putting them on a photo gallery that is growing just as much as the snow is out here. So check that out at abc2news.com. And as always, you can send us photos, pix@wmar.com, or tweet us.
At Leon84, idiot, it's nice to meet you. One watching.
Hey, nice to meet you too.
Leon84, idiot, it's nice to meet you. At Leon84, idiot, it's nice to meet you.
I'm blind doing this, so my pictures may not be the best.
Snowmar's coming.
Snowmar's coming.
You get the wire reference.
Oops.
So they're really trying to get the message out to people not to venture out. You know, there's got to be an incredible emergency that would put you in situations out there, but you don't want to get yourself in trouble.
And I see our governors are taking more direct control. One of the lessons we've learned in the last 24 hours
Stop
that they
broadcast.
need to take control of those interstates.
Right.
There's no reason for those trucks to be out there. Be out there. I've lived in.
Let's see if you can get a better view out the back window here.
And wait until the local officials say they can get back on. The other piece is looking at ramping up the National Guard. Now's the time to get the mobilization ramped up. Worst case scenario, power going out. Because you got to mobilize those guards down.
I'm not going to open the door because of how I don't want cold air in here more so than it already is. I haven't even talked to anyone to find out what it's like here yet.
People are stuck on the turnpike in the western part of the state, and one of the drivers is actually on the phone with me right now. We're going to tune in with him next, right after this.
Yeah, that coverage is on CNN, which I'm sure different ones of you in the States at least have been watching. That's all they've been covering, snow. And, well, just in case anything happens, with the pipes and all, I have the water dripping, and I use it for different things so that it's not going to go to waste. And the same thing is going on in the kitchen.
Trouble health-wise, if you would be predisposed to something like that. But running smoothly here so far, no problems on the roads. Roads are, not great to drive on. You're still not encouraged to go out and drive around the state, but things are looking good, and things are running smoothly here at MEMA. Guys, back to you.
Live.
This morning,
And what Periscope.
MEMA headquarters.
Stop broadcast.
From one Brian to another.
At Leon 84. Sorry for the bad spelling.
No problem.
Button.
I don't care about your
At Leon
spelling.
84. Sorry for the bad spelling.
That was quick. Very quick.
And while the comments go by real fast, I don't want to be bothering you continuously with how my speech sounds. So that's why I'm not doing a whole lot of comments.
Right, and that's great for the city, but we do have a couple commercial burglary patterns that were addressed last time.
Oh dear. That's not good. People are always out there wanting to take advantage of a situation.
Looking to see right now if they're linked.
Cespedes' services as he's returning to the rival Mets on a $3 or $75 million deal. He can
Okay, they're not covering it on the local radio station.
It was taken, but that's something that we're certainly paying attention to. Looking to see if
Okay, well, I figured that's enough of a look
in the city and
for what that was worth and for what you were able to see. So I guess I'll talk later on, guys. You take care. Hope everyone's doing well and staying warm and staying safe.
joking earlier that a weather emergency is good for your business, right?
Stop broadcast. Button. Stop broadcast. Button. Count S.
Oops.
Camera.